Hey everybody, and welcome to this TradeUI options tutorial. I'm going to be covering what exactly the purple sweep it is and what the benefit of it can be. And it's pretty straightforward. It's not anything complicated. They are spending a significant amount of money on a deeper OTM strike with a large amount of cash associated to it. Here is a purple sweep for GSX. It was 84 with an unusually deep strike price of 100 with $828,000 of monies invested, and it was above the ask. So they really wanted into this play. Lots of volume, lots of open interest. These are the kind of plays you want to look out for because that shows a significant interest in that given directional move, especially if it matches up with all of the other filters that you might usually be playing with. The green numbers here basically signifies a larger position play as well, so these are ones to watch too. That is about all I wanted to cover in this video. So if you have any questions about the purple sweep, you really shouldn't after this video because it's pretty straightforward. It's a large move. If you ever want to reference that in the future, simply stated right here, expiring Friday, bought on the ask and over $450,000 in value. This shows that they really want into that position, which could be a kind of a focus on that if it's some strike or some option that usually doesn't get a lot of volume. Might be a bit of a misfire if you see it on SPY or QQQ, but even then, those can be beneficial to watch as well. I hope this covers everything in regards to that, and thanks for listening in, and have a great day.